Alternatives to Windows Home Server Drive Extender? As Microsoft is cutting support for Drive Extender in Windows Home Server v2, Windows Server codename Veil is the official name. What are the alternatives to Drive Extender on a self-built machine? Requirements: easily add or remove drives, to gain more space or duplication. Redundancy, either through duplication of chosen folders, or through something equivalent to RAID level 5. Easy to set up and use, so RAID is out of the question. Drive failure should leave data readable recoverable on working disks. Performance: support drives larger than 2 TB, WHS v1 does not support this. Drives of different sizes. Network enabled, Samba, CIFS. What are my options?
Data Robotics will be very relieved that Microsoft is dropping Drive Extender, as the closest thing I know of that is anything like it is the range of Drobo devices. It's hardware and pretty expensive, but it fits all your requirements. I've noticed that they are particularly popular with not particularly techie freelance creative professionals.
I just discovered Greyhole. It's for Linux, but in my opinion it's better than DE. At least there won't be demogrator.exe trashing the HDDS 24/7 in a way that forces me to stop it in the peak working hours, or there will be latency problems in the LAN when accessing files. And Amanda can do the computer backups. I have no reason to buy WHS v2 anymore. Edit: I found the perfect Linux distro to replace WHS. Almaty has Greyhole installed by default. And also a lot of useless multimedia servers.
WHS isn't Drobo's closest competition. That title, I think, goes to Unraid. Check out Unraid at this URL. Yeah, it doesn't use a RAID technology, but it does use parity instead of duplication to offer the same storage efficiency as Drobo. Basically, you lose space equal to the largest installed hard drive. The advantage of Unraid seems to be that, like WHS, you can add as many drives as you need. Drobo is limited by its physical slots, but WHS and Unraid are only limited by how many drive ports, SATA, IDA, USB, etc. you can build. Like Drobo, Unraid is just storage, it doesn't do backup and other features like WHS. I haven't built one yet, but it's what I'm looking at to replace WHS 1.0 when 1.0 finally reaches end of life.
I'm busy trying to make this a viable solution. This URL. It hits the following requirements. Easily add or remove drives to gain more space or duplication. Done via drag and drop. Easy to set up and use, so RAID is out of the question. Done via drag and drop. Drive failure should leave data readable/recoverable on working disks. No change in the source drive's format or layout, i.e. no hidden directories, etc. Performance. The speed of .NET 4 and the source drive via file streams. Support drives larger than 2 TB, WHS v1 does not support this. If the Windows OS supports it, including USB/FireWires, then it will be usable. Drives of different sizes. Yep. Network enabled, Samba/CIFS. Works on all Win OSs, not target for Vista, smiley face. And with the backup mode it performs something similar to WHS1 by allowing duplicates on a different drive than the original, so mostly covers. Redundancy, either through duplication of chosen folders, or through something equivalent to RAID level 5.
Channel, click select music